Curwen Print Study Centre is an educational charity that was established to promote and to teach fine art printmaking skills.
I've just started as a member of the Curwen Print Study Centre. Last year I attended the certificate course which introduced all different concepts of printmaking.
I am here because I'm doing A-level art and I'm here to do my final piece. I like it because it's very interactive and you get to use machines that you don't get to use in school. So it's a very different experience.
People come here to enjoy themselves, to find out something about something they may have not done before, and to learn new skills.
We were formed to ensure that fine art, handcrafted print skills were available for future generations.
I come to the Curwen mainly because of the community. It's a fabulous community of artists. And not only that, it's a sense of history that you get here.
We're very lucky here in our building, and it's very unique that we have a gallery space nestled between two studios. So the archive is available to view for anybody who comes here. It's getting on for over 1,000 prints with accompanying documents, photographs, really exciting, interesting ephemera from the Curwen studio.
We bring our students here for GCSE and A-level, and we've been doing that for over 20 years. It enriches our curriculum. I think the experience of actually coming to a studio, a professional studio that's set up like a real working environment with access to all the equipment that they need on hand. The studio is really well laid out and they get to work with professional artists.
We welcome people here of all ages and all abilities. Our course programme is one that works from introductory one-day courses right through to our certificate course.
From those courses, we have people that come again and again and again, and eventually become members and just print make all the time.
Even if you're nervous using all the big machines, they're so helpful, they make it so easy, and you end up with a great final piece.
It's quite something seeing a young person pulling on the handle of a press that's over 200 years old.
And you know that people have been making things on them for years and years and years, and that's very, very inspiring.
And this is just a lovely opportunity now at my stage of my career and finding this place to further express and find what I can do.
What we've created is a printmaking journey. You can come as a complete beginner and start to learn a skill, progress through the varying courses, and then end up working under your own direction, producing your own art.
I've become a calmer person since I've started printmaking. It's just made me an all-round better and more confident artist.
They all go away feeling that they've discovered something about themselves that they may not have known before, and that they can do it for themselves as well.
I would highly recommend it, Your artistic level is where you are. Don't worry about whether you're excellent or not excellent or a complete beginner. There's something for everybody.